Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn any regular photo into a Pixar-style animation in just a few steps using the DreamFace app. It's super easy, beginner friendly, and the best part is you can do it for free. So let's get started. First, if you don't already DreamFace, just open the Play Store and then just download it and then just install. And once it's installed, just log in with your Google account. And don't worry, DreamFace will give you a free weekly credits package, so you can start creating without paying anything. And then after you're logged in, you will land on the home page like this. From here, just simply tap on the Magic Effects. This is where the all fun transformations happens, and then you will see a lot of cool effects to choose from. But for this tutorial, we're going with the Pixar styles effects. This one, just tap on it like this. This effect will instantly give your photo that classic 3D animated movie looks. Next, just upload your photo. It could be a selfie, a portrait, or even a group photo. And for the best result, just choose a clear, valid picture where your face is visible. And then just tap on confirm. And once your photo is uploaded, just hit generate or create. And okay, like this, your brand new Pixar style photo animations will appear on your screen like this. And it really does look like something like out of an animated film. And if you want to download it, just tap on download button. And okay, that's it. In just a minute, you have transformed your regular photo into a Pixar animation using DreamFace. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.